This single-serving broccoli cheddar soup is creamy, extra cheesy, and filled with broccoli. Best of all, it cooks in less than 30 minutes. Heat half of a tablespoon of olive oil in a 2-quart saucepan over medium heat. Add a half a cup of chopped onions and cook, stirring frequently for about a minute. Now we're going to add in 1 clove of minced garlic and stir for about 30 seconds. Now we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of flour. And we're going to cook the flour, stirring frequently for about a minute. We want to cook off some of that flour taste. Make sure you stir this constantly. Next, we're going to pour in 3/4 of a cup of chicken broth and stir until smooth. Now we're going to add in a half of a cup of milk and a half of a cup of heavy cream, or you could use 1 cup of half and half instead. So we're going to bring the soup to a gentle boil, stirring frequently, and then we're going to reduce the heat to low and simmer for about 5 minutes. Now I'm going to stir in a half of a cup of shredded sharp cheddar cheese, a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, 1/8 teaspoon of chili powder, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. And we're going to stir the soup until it's smooth. And now we're going to add in a cup of broccoli florets, and we're going to simmer the soup for 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. So while the soup is simmering, I want to show you how to cut the broccoli into florets. Slice straight through the broccoli stem close to the crown. This is the crown, these little pieces here. So the crown should break into several florets. Then cut the florets into bite-sized pieces. Okay, the soup is nice and thick. So it's been simmering for 10 minutes, so we're going to take it off the stove. And we're going to just pour the soup into a bowl. Oh, it looks so wonderful. Smells so good, too. I love this soup. It's so rich and creamy and cheesy. It really is a cheese lover's dream. I think you're going to love this one.